Hello. Today I will tell you how to install the application 1xBet and register in it. Go to the site 1xBet if you have problems logging in, use VPN. In the menu, select the item mobile application. Choose the type of your device and click the download button. And also install. Then click open. And finally the application 1xBet is ready to work. And also I will tell you how to easily and quickly register and at the same time get the maximum benefit for yourself in the form of a bonus. Select the registration item. Here we see different ways, but the most reliable is by email. Click on it and write your name, surname, your country, region. Enter your date of birth, currency. Enter your email address and phone number. Come up with a strong password. Enter a promo code in this field, promo code MONEYSTIPS. You can also choose the bonus you need, both on sports and casino, and click the button to register. Then replenish your account in a convenient way and get a bonus in the form of an additional 200% on your first deposit. Finally, I wish you good luck, get not only positive emotions and add to your deposit.